Hey guys, Ben Bloomley with Seaport Real Estate, and I'm excited today to show you our newest listing. We're talking 1.9 acres on deep water access at all times. You got it, right on the Forest River. So right here, I'm standing on your shared private dock that you'll share with your neighbor next door. Come take a look with me. I promise you, for this price, you don't want to miss it. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this piece of property as much as we have. So if you have any questions or you want to set up your private tour, just contact us at any time and we'll talk to you soon.